other 50.
Damn.
All right, Jeremiah. I had to get one of our I'm broke. I would. You already know I would. Huh? Then you can be here. That's 112.
You did 112. This is an Orion Hcca.
112
Sounds
on
great.
4K XTR.
I can't believe how musical
Orion.
it is. I wasn't sure if those were fourth order friendly subs, but obviously it is.
Well,
I got Gabriel's
we
number.
Did. I was about to say we did a lot of talking.
Said she from the H-Town. I say my name is Tracy, and ain't nobody realer. Cup inside a cup, smoking ghost face killer. Got these poppers going crazy. Nigga, I'm the man. I sent your girl a message, said I Akon and Young Jesus. Trying to take it easy. 3, 2. Only way to lose. And so let's get it. Don't look for me. I'll be on the clock. Possibly sitting on the drop. Cause I'm a rider. This is so survival.
Yeah.
Hey, just for the record, it hasn't been played in about 6 months.
It got the little stinky on this really low song.
It has not been played in the 6 months.
Yeah, that's
Did it play that?
Oh, it played it.
Dude, that's like a 4.5 to 1.
So it's a 4.5 to 1?
Yeah. 1.76 sealed. And like 7 recorded, I think. I don't remember.
That's a big ratio.
How warm's the amp? That's my question.
I don't think it's even warm.
No, the amp's not even.
I saw.
What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Just 112 in there.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Super. You claim you got a bad bitch, but do she like girls when her head get wet? Do it turn into curls if she got her own whip? Is she team 901 when you fuck her from the back? Do she ever try to run? Do a camel to a shoe? When she wear sweatpants, do you got your bitch in line like she got a check stand? I'm the man in the club, but I used to sell crack. I'm a chop, bitch.